Welcome to How to Make Your Gloss Part 2. Today we are going to be using fenugreek seed and hibiscus leaves, so that if you don't have the powder, you still get to do the challenge. The first thing you do is to soak your fenugreek seed in advance, at least 12 hours. 24 to 12 hours is ideal, so that the seed becomes soft and easy to blend. You also soak your hibiscus leaves. About 12 hours is fair. Okay, so we're going to be using the honey in addition. The honey is going to soothe your scalp and reduce itchy scalp. Palm kernel oil for breakage and moisturizing your hair. And as usual, we're going to be adding cocoa butter and shea butter to this mix too, because it's going to boost moisture and make all our detangling issues vanish. Okay, so now we're coming to mix up our butters in preparation for meltdown. So quantity you use depends on you. So cocoa butter, a bit of shea butter, and then palm kernel oil added. Then we go melt it. You can just place it on warm water. Okay, so now we're coming to add our fenugreek and our hibiscus together and go blend it. Make sure you blend with some high-speed blender and sieve and sieve and sieve till you have a smooth mix like this. Try not to add so much water so it's not running. Okay, so now we add the honey. Quantity depends on you. Because my mix is already light, I'm trying not to use too much. Yeah, so you can add your honey and then your oils to it. Basically, that is all. Yeah, try to mix it together well, like stir well. Now I'm adding the oil, the melted oil and shea butter, cocoa butter. And then you mix it all together. You can use this immediately, or you can store it in your fridge or freezer and use at a later time. But you really need to try this mix as a pre-poo. It's really going to help make your hair moisturized and soft enough so that when you're detangling, you don't lose too much hair. Try this and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Bye.